Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Michaela the Look Plug, and I know it's been a minute. Welcome back. I am part of the Sneakers Essential Certificate Program with FIT and Complex. So for one of my sneaker assignments, I will be doing a sneaker unboxing. That's what we have here. I know it's been a minute since I posted a YouTube video. I've been on TikTok and I've been on Instagram, so make sure you guys follow me there because that's where I'm the most active. I have the Jordan 1 Dark Mochas, and these have to be by far my favorite Jordan 1s that I own. The Dark Mocha colorway released October 31st, 2020, and these came out right after the Travis Scott collaboration, which came out 2019. I think the Dark Mochas is a super classic shoe. I think the Travis Scotts are more hype if you're into that. I'd rather have the Dark Mochas as like my classic colorway shoe because it's timeless. The Travis Scott's one is more hype, so I don't really know about it. I don't personally see anybody walking around with them. I haven't seen a lot of pictures with people styling them lately, so I just feel like it was for the moment. Much respect to the shoe. It was definitely on everybody's mind back then, but I also don't think that the Dark Mochas would really exist if the Travis Scott's didn't happen. These actually came with two pairs of laces, the black and then the sail color ones, but I wasn't feeling the black laces, honestly. I put the sail colored laces in my sneakers since they match the sail along the shoe. You have the sail on the midsole and you have it on the toe as well, and I think that the sail laces on the sneaker makes it a really clean shoe. The black laces are cool too, just not for me. Now, I would absolutely recommend the Jordan 1 Mochas because it's such a great neutral. I'm going to insert a clip here of the way that I styled it. Most of the time, you're really paying attention to the black and sail toe, which is always going to be a good look. Here's the fit that I put together, and I actually posted this. This is probably one of my favorite fits. Cream color pants went complete chef's kiss. These are size 5.5 grade school for my sneakers. I wear 7.5 women, so mine came out a little bit cheaper. I don't know how much I got them for, but it wasn't, I guess, the current selling price, which is, ooh, I bought them from this reseller Juice Kicks on Instagram. You guys can go follow him. At the time when I got mine, which I think was right when they did release, so I got them at a cheaper price, and these are also grade school, so keep that in mind. The current selling price for these in my size right now is going for $568, and then for the regular sizes, the regular men's sizes, they're upwards of $500 to $700. That's interesting. I got mine at a good price. I'm gonna show you guys some on feet shots. Thank you guys so much for watching. Here's the rest of the show.